Welcome everyone. The Article 18 defines the freedom to conduct trade, business, or to adopt a certain profession. It starts off in a very complex way by saying that there is a merit defined for a certain trade, business, or profession to be termed as an occupation. That means an occupation of a person is something that is not only an occupation under law, but qualifies some merits defined in every particular occupation or industry as well. The article emphasizes that every citizen has the right to be in a certain uh, occupation, employment, business, or a trade only if that comes under law or is stipulated by law as something practicable. In case if law bars someone from practicing any occupation or declares an occupation invalid or non-practicable, then that is something that will stand, and trade, business, and profession in such an industry shall be declared culpable. The clause A of the article tells us that this article or the content of this article cannot stop anyone to adopt any profession if that particular trade or occupation has a licensing system that is intact. Plus, any profession or occupation regularized by a licensing system shall be deemed lawful. The article, through clause A, acts as a base on the matters known as copyrights and licensing issues. The clause B states that the content of this article cannot stop any regulation that may promote free trade and competition. The purpose behind it is to bring in a free market that may decrease price levels in the country and brings easiness to the end consumers. The clause C basically states that any established occupation shall not be declared unlawful or invalid by any federal or provincial government. It also extends the dominion of this clause C to the corporations, licensing authorities, and unions which are controlled by the governments. Hence, any union, authority, or corporation under government cannot declare any occupation invalid as well. Whereas no exclusion policy must be adopted by the legislative or executive branches of the government to wipe off, exclude, and terminate any kind of profession. I hope you have liked our commentary. Please do hit the bell icon and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.